My name is Andy Dodson, and I'm an instructor here at Spokane Community College in the Aviation Maintenance Technology program. Aviation maintenance technology is a career that provides the training and education that a person would need to obtain an FAA mechanics license to work on any U.S. registered aircraft in North America. So our program here at SCC is a 2-year program, and we offer both an associate's degree, but we also offer a certificate of completion for people that want to get an A&P license and go to work in the industry. A graduate out of our program here at SCC has a wide variety of opportunities. They can go to work for the major airlines. Most people, that's the first thing they think of. Or you could work in general aviation on small recreational aircraft. The more non-traditional side of aviation is working in helicopter operations for the police department or the fire department.
You get to go out, it's hands-on, and you get to actually work on aircraft. You get to learn how to do different tasks, work with different tools, things that I've never worked with before. So
you have to have kind of a critical thinking mind. If you like to solve puzzles, then this is the perfect kind of industry to be in.
I felt very comfortable as soon as I got here. Everyone's very friendly, very encouraging.
Learn more about careers and career paths at careerexplorenw.org.